Now students, we are going to discuss another problem based on the quantization of charge. Here what they given here, estimate the number of free electrons in 1 gram of water, 1 gram of water, and negative charge possessed by them. Okay, given that Avogadro number is how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Right, molecular weight is nothing but 18. Molecular weight is nothing but 18. Molecular weight of water is nothing but 18. That is molecular weight. Water is a molecule. Okay. Right. Same process. That means here 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water contains how many molecules? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Atoms are molecules. Here molecules. We want to find out how many molecules in 1 gram of water. 1 gram of water. So, number of molecules in 1 gram of water is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 divided by 18. So, we get finally how many molecules are there? 3.344 into 10 power 22 molecules. 10 power 22 molecules. Now, how many electrons in 1 molecule of water? What is the chemical composition of water molecule? H2O. How many electrons are in 1 molecule? In hydrogen, there are 2 electrons. In oxygen, there are 8 electrons. So, total electrons in 1 molecule is equal to 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10 electrons. So, that means 1 water molecule contains 10 electrons. Here, how many molecules are there? 3.344 into 10 to the power of 22 molecules. So, what is the charge, negative charge possessed by them? Now, again we use same formula. What is that formula here? Q is equal to Ne. Q is equal to N. N is nothing but what? Total number of electrons. How many electrons are there? Here one molecule has 10 electrons. How many molecules are there? 3.344 10 to the power of 22. That means here number of electrons is 3.344 into 10 to the power of 23, and this 10 is multiplied by this into charge of each electron 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So, finally we get answer here 5.35 into 10 power 4 coulombs charge. So, this is the problem, 10 power 4 coulombs charge. How we do this problem here? First of all, we want to find out how many molecules in 1 gram of water. Right. After that, in 1 molecule, how many electrons are there? 10 electrons. After that, we use this formula. What is that formula? Q is equal to Ne. Q is equal to Ne formula. By using this formula, we can easily find out total charge possessed by these electrons.